Okay. All right. Let's go. What? You want me to come in the nest? Where do you want me to go? Come on. Where do you want to go? Let's go in the nest. Go on. Okay, here. I'll come up the ladder. I'll come up the ladder. I will. I'll come up. Here. You go up. You go up. Mommy will go up. I'm coming. I'm coming. What is it? What is the mama's one? There's a baby. Come here, honey. Come right here, baby. Beautiful nest. It's beautiful. I love it.
Come on over, let's fill up the tank. Let me know when you're done.
2 hours later.
Have you had too much to drink, buddy? Oh my, oh yeah, I know. I know.
I want to see it.
You little alco. Are you an angry drunk? Oh yeah, you need to have a sleep. Sleep it off. Sleep it off, buddy.
That is so rude. I'm glad I got it on video. He looked dead at me and pushed it and was like, "What you gonna do about it?" That is so messed up. I ain't playing with these monkeys.
You are my beautiful love, a whisper in the night, a gentle dove. When the stars align and faith feels right, hold me close, hold me tight. When the dark nights
No chewing.
I'm chewing.
Yeah, no chewing. No chewing on the window.
Step up. Go, step up. Touch. Ooh. What's this?
These are keys. What's that made of?
Angel.
Can you say it better? What's this made of?
Paper.
What's that made of?
Paper.
No.
Paper.
That's made of metal.
Angel.
Yes, good bird. This is made of metal.
Step up.
You want to step up? Alright, where do you want to go?
Fresh water.
Fresh water. You want some fresh water?
Warm water.
Yeah, pouring water. What's this? That's made of, rock. That's made of rock. Rock. Fresh water. You want fresh water? It's glass. You think that's glass? It's kind of like glass, especially since we're calling mugs glass. Maybe that is glass. What's this? It's part of the wall. It's made of glass. It's made of glass. You want to drink water? What's that made of? Come on, you know that. Glass. Yes, that's right, made of glass. Good bird, Apollo. I'm gonna get you a pistachio. Good bird. There's your pistachio. Good job, Apollo.
What? What?
I don't give a goddamn how famous I am or whatever. It don't matter to me because I'm about dead anyway, so what I give a shit? What the hell do I care? I don't. If nobody can't take me like I am, they can simply kill me.
Are you complaining to me about something? Could you say that again? I didn't quite understand. You're not happy about something. Is it because I'm sitting down ignoring? Is it because I'm ignoring you? I'm not playing with you? But I just played with you. Do you remember? When we were playing? Just a minute ago? All right. I'll play with you more.